Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change account on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to change your account on Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And when you land on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a profile picture icon of your current Google account which is logged into your Play Store. If you tap on it, this kind of interface will appear, and you can see at the top of the screen there is our Google account, and at the right side of it there is the drop down arrow. Now, in order to change your account on Google Play Store, tap on that drop down arrow at the right side of your account name, and all of your account which you have logged into your phone will be over here. And if you simply tap on the account which you want to change on Google Play Store, it will show you this kind of interface. Tap on accept and your account on your Play Store will be changed. But if you want to log into your new account on Google Play Store, again tap on that icon at the top right corner and tap on the drop down arrow icon again. And if you scroll down, you can see, guys, it says add another account over here. You can simply tap on add another account button over here and go through the sign in process of your Google account on the Play Store, and let's verify. And when you land over here, guys, go through the sign-in process of your Google account on the Play Store, and then your account will be changed on Google Play Store, guys. And guys, this is how to change account on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.